Good afternoon, guys, and welcome to the channel. Today is day 2 of the DURAMAX Big Turbo install, and I couldn't be any more excited. We should get a startup today, but first I'm gonna go to McDonald's and get Shane a little lunch, a little food motivation, and well, that's it. That's the intro. Let's go. Loving these purple monsters. Now, the original OGs of the channel will know that I always used to be on the white monster kick, and I still like the white ones too, but the purple's a nice change of pace. And we are, in fact, in the CHR, the fastest car in the garage. Forget the 720. You haven't felt real speed until you drive a Toyota.
Welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you?
Hi, can I get 2 bundle boxes?
2 bundle boxes? What kind of sauce would you like for your nuggets?
I guess barbecue and buffalo.
Comes out to $29.66. Please pull forward to the first window.
Thank you.
How you doing today?
Good.
What was in your order?
2 bundle boxes.
2 bundle boxes? All right, so we're going to have you pull up to the next window.
No problem. I'm gonna go ahead and say that guy was definitely Curtis. Maybe Curtis has a brother that nobody knows about, but that guy really looked like Curtis. Absolutely. Thank you very much. 2 big old bundle boxes right there. Now, Shane's a big boy. That's why he eats a lot. But I'm on a diet, so as hard as it is to sit here next to that, I don't think I'm gonna be having any. Big freaking bummer right there. F in the chat from you boys. RIP. Which, by the way, speaking of that, I have been streaming on a relatively regular basis. So if you want to follow me on Twitch, it's StreetSpeed717, same as the channel. And I'm not very good, but we have fun playing. I do play with subscribers, by the way. A lot of people ask, like, do you play with subscribers? I do. And like I said, we have fun.
So I couldn't tell you, like, it probably rode like shit to you right now.
Hey.
Holy shit.
What the hell is this? What is this?
Dude, backroom deal, bro.
Well, dude, this is a backroom deal. You want to talk about backroom deals? Look at me.
Thanks, dude.
Dude, I'm bringing
I
the.
remember Bumblebox now.
I'm bringing the. Dude.
So what happened to breakfast?
I can't say that.
You're lucky that I ate breakfast this morning.
I knew you were gonna eat breakfast.
You said you're gonna bring breakfast.
Well, no, I said lunch. I said lunch.
Last night when you left, you said you're bringing breakfast.
I said I was bringing lunch. Okay.
We can check.
We all know I don't get up as early as him. Not even close.
Oh, I didn't get to film it because you already had the camera turned off. So, but he's leaving at fucking 8 o'clock when he left, or 7:30 or whatever it was. He's like, all right, he goes, I'll bring
I
breakfast.
said I'll
What do you
bring
want for
brunch.
He said, what do you want for breakfast? No,
Brunch.
he said breakfast.
I said
How do you
brunch.
not mean
Said like a
breakfast?
I said like a lunch.
That's your thought.
Thanks, bro.
How's the Humvee?
Good, man. We were just talking about, so Sean's bringing that muffler, the 5.3. He's gonna fab it in. We're still gonna do an open close, but we're kind of figuring out if it's even gonna sound right before we do a blower. It probably won't, but once we put the blower on it, it'll sound amazing.
Dude, like, can't fucking.
And then,
It'll be insane.
And then we got on the topic. I was like, asking him about Fox shocks. They have a set, but it's just OEM replacement. I'm like, is that even gonna do anything?
That's been here since last time, so I forgot to
We've
get it
been
back to you.
looking for this.
Your
shit.
special log, dude.
No, no.
I have spares of those. You should have asked
we have
me.
like 5 of them.
Okay.
Now because we get so freaking.
I was sitting here. That's why I was sitting here because you left and everything else, and I was like,
Dude, there was.
what the hell is this for?
There was one time.
Either it's Shane's or it's Mike's.
Yeah.
Like,
This is
which
the,
one is it? I'm like,
the
that's
original
Shane's.
one. Dude, there was one time that we didn't have this and it was awful, and I went and bought like 7 of them. And since then we lost 2 of them.
I'm just excited to have both the Shanes in my life in one
I know,
vlog.
right, dude?
You ready to hear your truck?
I'm ready.
Oh, I already.
Oh wait, we're ready for startup?
Oh, it already started.
Yeah, we already had it.
Oh,
You take too long, dude.
baby.
It's
I
3:30.
know. I tried to
I'm
get you
bringing
some
breakfast. Bringing breakfast. Yeah, so I'm trying, Mike finally get out of bed, be here like 9 o'clock, maybe 9:30.
Is it nasty?
Oh yeah, sounds good, dude.
Does it sound like a jet?
First,
Does it sound like a jet?
You'll
Airplane.
find out.
That's all that matters.
it sounds pretty gnarly.
I'm excited. Oh baby. Oh my God.
See what style is this? Where it has the actual pump with it? Or is that
Dual reservoir.
yeah, they don't have anything like that for mine.
That's what. I have Fox shocks on mine. I love them.
Yeah, I know. They only have the like the replacement, which isn't gonna do anything.
I guess you're gonna have to do a full lift kit.
Everything.
There you go.
Well, I don't want a lift kit.
I know,
I
but
like the baby squat. The rideability is a little funky.
I like how you invented that word, rideability.
Yeah.
I like that one. I like that.
That's like I'm like my own dictionary.
The old manifold, so you can see that is definitely not ideal for airflow. It's like really restricted. So we got brand new manifolds on the truck. There's the old one as well, with the old Turbski.
That's how much bigger they are.
Yeah, wow, that looks way better. New pipe as well. PPE manifolds. They look a lot clean. They're not all rusty looking and crap. They look nice.
They're both that size. I guess how both big both of them are.
Oh shit! Oh my god! That whistle is crazy! Dude, that whistle is crazy. That's way more. Way more, dude. Holy crap. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Dude, that sounds insane. That it's so loud. The jet aircraft is being backed out. I'll be braking shit because it sounds good. I'm gonna be on the throttle all the time.
Does sound good.
This is the start. Oh yeah. That is so loud. Yeah, that's loud. That spool is unreal. I'm not even on, like I'm not on it at all. And that's how loud it is. Oh my God. So Shane is finishing up everything with the DURAMAX, including the tunes and all that good stuff. But while he's doing that, I had to come back to get the McLaren to take it to the auto show, which, by the way, I will be at the auto show starting tomorrow and going the whole weekend. So if you want to come out and say hi to myself and Troy, we'll be there from time to time on certain days, but we will definitely both be there on Saturday from noon to 2 if you want like a guaranteed time when we will be there at the McLaren Philly booth. But it should be a good time. And, you know, there's lots of cool cars at the auto show, so come out and check it out. The info will be down below. Ooh. Great drive so far. You know, the only thing more fun than driving a McLaren in 40-degree weather is driving a McLaren in 40-degree weather with drag tires and it being wet outside and having it rain on you. That's when you're really having a good time. Let me tell you something. That's when you're having fun. But we have almost arrived at the car show. We did make it in one piece. Well, I can't speak too soon. We're not there yet. But we're lower speeds the rest of the way. So I feel like we're going to make it. We're going to be all right. But yeah, I mean, you just got to drive really carefully and really slow when you're dealing with these conditions. Never underestimate how bad a little bit of rain and cold temperature can be when you're on like summer performance tires. Never. You can't overestimate your grip because you might not have, depending on the road surface, you really might not have much grip at all, and I see a lot of people make that mistake. Don't be embarrassed to go slow. I like to go fast. That's my whole channel is basically about going fast. But don't be embarrassed to go a little bit slow, maybe even slower than most of the traffic out there. You might be slower than a grandma, but at least you'll make it in one piece. What's crazy is the auto show is at the Farm Show Complex, and if you guys remember from the vlog, about a week ago, I was at the farm show and it was all horses and pigs and cows, and they clean all that out, all that shit, literally all that shit, they clean it out, and then like a week later, the auto show's in here and it smells like new cars. It's pretty incredible what they do. I can't be in a building like this and not at least get a couple of these right here. hear me?
And then I heard something.
Well, I'll be damned. Troy figured out how to open the door. Piglet's barking. Thank you. What's up, Dan? Hey, how you doing? Hey, buddy. How you doing? Floor it?
$100 right now.
$100 bucks?
Right.
I'll floor it. I'll crash into the Mustang. Plot twist.
I was like, you're about to have not clean carpets.
Oh, I know.
He was like, don't worry about it. I think
My car was sort of clean
every
at
year
one
I
point.
say this, I said, why do they do the farm show first?
Oh, no.
And there's some poop in there. There's some hay. Poop.
No.
Hay. Poop.
You don't know. It could be the hay in the poop.
I think it's.
It could be all
I
together.
think it's all together.
They could have pooped out the hay. Oh my God.
Mike,
Well,
gee, let's see what way you came in.
You know what? I'm here. That's all that matters.
Yeah, you made it.
I mean, not that I'm here, but that the car made it.
Nice.
That's all that matters. Like your buttons are all
It's a
different.
P1 key.
Oh, you're cool then, aren't you, Troy?
I got
you just
P1.
take that and go away. I agree. The car does look awful. Troy, you're doing a great job, by the way, bud.
Yeah.
Your car looks really nice. Mine doesn't,
We'll get to yours.
as usual. Troy's gonna clean mine though, because he's a nice man.
We'll get there.
He said he's gonna do a little bit. We'll see. I don't really expect it because that's just kind of dickheaded. Because it really is a mess.
Let's be 100% clear here. If they would do the auto show before the farm show.
Yeah, if they did the auto show before the farm show, we
You
could
wouldn't
avoid
have-
a lot of this.
Yeah. But so don't be surprised if it smells like poop.
Well, I don't want to complain either. I don't want to be like one of those, like, oh, I gotta have my car clean because I'm fucked up. And it is a little gross, though, I will admit. So we got posters here for you tomorrow. So again, we're gonna be here tomorrow, which is Thursday, Friday. Then Troy and I for sure, I mean, we'll be stopping in, but we're gonna be for sure here Saturday noon to 2, which I talked about. We're gonna have posters. We also have really cool, like, limited edition t-shirts we did with McLaren. Actual McLaren brand, which is really cool. Very cool opportunity. And I'm gonna clean my car too. It's not gonna look like that forever. Don't worry. Either Troy's gonna help a little bit. I'm gonna do something. It'll look better.
Get it cleaned up.
Yeah, we'll get it cleaned up.
Can't let you park in here looking like.
No, that's pretty bad. It does look bad. There is sadly no. Actually, I think I made it worse. Really, just look at what is this?
Yeah, the streaking. Yeah.
That's really bad. Troy, you gave me the product.
No, you took the product.
No, you told me to use that. Doors too big.
Oh yeah,
No.
It's the glare. Yeah, right here.
it's bad.
I did my best.
It's better. It is. You didn't make it worse.
I didn't make it work.
You didn't
No, I
make it
cleaned.
worse.
I don't know if you guys saw. I cleaned the bottom of the door, which is.
Streak is better than poop.
The streak's
Streak
easier-
is better than
the streak
poop, I
is
agree.
easier to clean up. Yeah. There's a lot of.
The
things better
inside
than
is
poop.
clean. There's no dog hair.
Really?
Yeah, the inside's pretty
That's,
clean.
I don't believe it. I really,
Look at it.
Would you just look at it?
Well, would you just look at it? Look
That's
at
actually
this.
quite impressive. There's never
Yeah,
not
there's no
been
dog hair.
ever in your
No
car.
dog hair. So we got 720. What? This is one of those Gallardos. 570 Spider over there. Pretty cool spec on that one. And that's going to do it for the McLaren lineup. And then we got, that's a 911 Turbo, right, Troy?
No, I think it's Frank's.
I mean, I know it's Frank's car, but I thought it was a turbo. No, I guess it's not really, it doesn't have the wide body of the turbo, does it?
No.
So 911.
But Frank's got a lot of stuff done.
He's got a lot of stuff done. There's nitrous in there. 911, Reese's beautiful Gallardo Spider, like we talked about. Always a crowd favorite. Sounds amazing. This thing, which I just can't for the life of me ever remember what it's called. Is it a Radical? It's an Ultima GTR. There it is. And the Evora, kind of interesting. These cars, Lotus wanted to really like come back into the market with a sports car that was like a daily, more of a daily. You could drive it every day, unlike the Elise. So they came out with the Evora. Not a bad car, pretty light, but in my opinion, hey, what are you doing? In my opinion, a little bit underpowered. Now this is the Evora S. This is the one, the S is the one with the supercharger. And what they used was a Toyota Camry engine. So that's interesting there. They went for that for reliability, but then what you got was like a $80,000 to $100,000 underpowered car with a Toyota Camry engine, and it just really didn't make a whole lot of sense. Actually, that's a 360, not a 430. R8 V10, M3 Porsches. We'll go over all that tomorrow when we're here at the show. But yeah, we're here in the cool section. I also really want to check out, I'm going to save it for tomorrow, but I do believe That is a full-scale Optimus Prime. Hope you guys enjoyed this upload. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Take care and have a great night. And don't forget to follow 3 Bulls in a Pod. I was gonna save this for the vlog tomorrow, and I still will film it tomorrow. But this is actually the screen-used Optimus Prime truck, and I figured I should film it now while there's nobody else here. This is so freaking cool. I mean, I love Transformers. The new movies have been a little bit like the last couple, I'll agree, haven't been that great. But like, you know, as a kid, I had Transformers and everything, and this is really, really cool. And this is like it's the real Optimus Prime truck, which is just awesome. I mean, it's enormous. Do not touch, it says. That is so cool. Look at that thing. That's awesome. Really, really cool. The actual Optimus Prime truck. There you go.